Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today marks the beginning of an incredible journey to Shaman, China. Buckle up and get ready as we discover new places, try exquisite local foods, and immerse ourselves in a vibrant and rich culture. Hello everyone, so we are now at NAIA Airport, NAIA Terminal 1 Airport, and we're now heading to the lounge and gonna stay there for a while and wait until our plane arrives and fly to Shaman, China.
Welcome to PAGS Lounge of NAIA Airport Terminal 1. So we came in a busy day and this place was packed with people. Everything was nice, the place is decent and the atmosphere was so good. But when there's too much people, it's pretty hard to relax and enjoy your stay in the lounge. So right as you enter the PAGS Lounge, you'll be greeted with a halal section of food. And sorry in advance because I actually forgot to try this section of the lounge. Yeah, such a waste. The biryani and the chicken looks pretty tasty also. So yeah, and here we got a mini dessert section. We got some cakes, and then move on. We got some Chinese section. We got some shumai and some tasty looking shumai. On the other side we got some tasty looking Chinese buns. And then we got some pasta, some penne pasta, wild mushroom penne. We also got a Filipino section. We got chicken tocino and eggs with. So here we got some Korean pancakes. And then we also got some soups. And at the back of the section we got a salad bar, a mini salad bar, a salad section. And then we also have some crackers, some breads, and some pastries. And also we got some cereal with milk.
And that's all the food we got here in the lounge. So hello guys, while we wait for the plane to arrive, I had some food from the lounge. I got this is the tocino Filipino tocino with egg. I also got siopao. It's written there that this is a Korean pancake, and then I got two siomai. So the lounge is a bit packed today, so it's gonna keep our voice down a little bit. We'll start with the tocino. It's alright. Tocino is pretty good. Next, let's try the Korean pancake. This is not good. Parang it's cold and it's greasy. Even inside the asado siopao. Very small. Good for one bite. The siomai. I like the siomai. Very tasty. But the pancake, yeah. Alright, get some more siomai and then some more. Alright, round 2, I got 3 more siomai and also got some pasta and then just a certain there that's herb chicken. Let's try this first. I don't like this. The pasta. Overcooked pasta. Let's try their chocolate pudding before we end this meal. Let's see. This is good. Oh yeah. There's chocolate and there's caramel. I like this one.
So the overall food in this lounge is average to below average. But hey, you can eat as much as you want and you can have any kind of drinks here. Also, you can bring some of the drinks on board, like some of the sodas. So if you have free lounge access, yeah, give it a try. But if not, I don't recommend it anymore. And now we are boarding the plane.
Alright, see you in the morning. Hello everyone, so we landed in Shaman, China.
So we may be at our destination country. Our next destination, which is our lunch, will be in a village couple hours away from the airport. So what the tour guide is explaining here is that the bridge beneath us is called the Shaman Bridge, constructed in 1987 to 1991. This bridge connects different parts of Shaman together, especially to the airport. And on the other side is the famous Jimei University of Shaman, China. Here you might see a drastic change from urban to rural area because we are approaching the village.
So hello everyone, we have arrived in our first destination. This is the Fengshan Hotel, a local hotel here in Anxi, Fujian. We're gonna have our dinner here and after that we're gonna visit some temple.
So in Chinese culture, sitting around a round table and sharing food is a very important tradition. The food is typically placed in the center of the table in a large shared dish, and each person takes portions of the food with chopsticks or serving spoons. So the first dish here is steamed native chicken with soy sauce. And then there's a noodle dish that's called lu mian or lo mein in English language.
The local noodles is famous. It's pretty good.
And if you will realize, Chinese food are often served one by one. So as soon as they are cooked, they are served to guarantee that the food is hot and it's fresh. So now on the table we have a steamed fish, a sweet and sour pork, and some boiled prawns. The next dish that is being served is Chinese braised pork with mushrooms.
Fish. Sweet and sour pork. This I think is braised pork. The chicken.
The chicken is my favorite. It is a free-range native chicken, so it is tender but it is not soft. It has a bite or a chew to it. So we still got more dishes. We got some meatballs and radish cake.
Got the meatball. It was juicy and tender. And this, I think this is radish cake. Yeah, it's radish cake. So we just finished eating and food here is on the other side. It's good though. And we're all full, and next we're gonna go to the temple. So we're now going to temple. Look at this, there's so many dragons here. I think they are preparing for the Mid-Autumn Festival here in China. There, we're gonna go up there. Up there, it's the temple. And that's our restaurant. Some big dragons. In Fengshan Temple. This is located in Anhui, Fujian. Fengshan Temple of China.
So there's actually two ways of getting up there in the temple. One is through the use of elevator and the other one is through stairs.
So because this temple is a bit large, so they got a map for the temple itself. It's like a amusement park. It's like an amusement park but for temples. Let's go up the temple. So after we just ate, this is some sort of like an exercise. After you eat, you go to the temple, you climb stairs, like exercising. Look at this amazing view of this temple. And look at this. Before you can reach the top of the temple, you can buy some offerings for the temple. You can buy offerings here to offer to the gods at the temple. Let's go to the top. Here we are at the top of the temple. Wow, an amazing view. And this is the temple. Fengshan Temple.
In the heart of Fujian, where ancient traditions meet the whispers of time, there is a place that has stood still, watching over the land for centuries. This is Fengshan Temple, a temple that carries with it the breath of history, the sounds of prayer, and the spirits of the past. Here, the air is thick with incense. The faint scent of sandalwood fills your lungs, calming the mind. Every step taken inside this temple feels like a step away from the world outside. The temple stands as a reminder of an ancient harmony between man and nature, where every stone, every pillar, and every tree holds a story. The wisdom here is not just in the text, but in the silence. Fengshan Temple is more than just a place of worship. It's a place of stillness in a world that never stops moving. It's a reminder to pause, to breathe, and to reflect. As I walk through these ancient paths, I am reminded that every journey, no matter how long, begins with a single step. And in that step, there is peace.